Hi everyone, today I'm going to be going through all the programs and options on this Bosch WMSAE612W. This is a vestel-made machine and it is from the Eco 4060 range, as you can see. So it's one of the newer ones. The WMSAE ranges is not that old now. It's only a couple of years old at most. Depends when this model was produced. Because before this it would have been, I forget what the previous range's model code was, but the SAE ones were fairly recently introduced, so maximum a couple of years old. But it follows much the same style as the previous ranges, and I actually think the dial is the same, just obviously with Eco 4060 in place of Cotton Eco 40. Anyway, so you've got your program selector knob on the left hand side and you've got your display and options on the right hand side. We're going to start out with the program selector knob and we're going to select position 1, which is Cotton 90, and you'll notice the wash light is flashing. That means it's ready to start. You've got your delay timer here, and on all cycles you can have 3 hours by pressing it once. That light will go solid to indicate 3 hour delay, 6 hours, 9 hours, or 12 hours. And if you press it again, it just turns off. You got your spin speed. So on Cotton, it allows up to 1200. You can also have 800, 600, or no spin. You can have anti-allergic, and anti-allergic basically it adds another rinse and it makes all of the rinses heated. So they're like medic rinses in a way. So it's good for allergies. You can have pre-wash or you can have both. Moving on. This is Cotton with a pre-wash. This runs at 60 degrees. And obviously by default it has a pre-wash which you cannot take off because of the nature of the cycle. Again, you can have all of the delays. You can have spin up to 1200, 800, 600 and 0 obviously. You can have anti-allergic, but as I mentioned before, you can't turn the pre-wash off. So you can either have pre-wash alone or anti-allergic. Next up, you've got the Cotton 60 program, which the manual states is the standard eco program, based on the older one. So it gives 2 test ones, the Eco 4060 test one and then the Cotton 60 as another test one. However, this doesn't run as an eco cycle, and I have confirmed that it will heat up to the full 60 degrees and it will use basically the same amount of water as other Cotton programs will. So there's nothing eco about it. On this cycle you've got spin once again up to 1200, and you can have 800, 600, no spin. You can have anti-allergic, pre-wash or both. Next up is the Eco 4060 program. This is the new standard program since 2021, and you can have 1200, 800, 600, no spin. You can have anti-allergic and pre-wash or both. Next up is Cotton 20. This is again another thing that is mandatory on Eco 4060 standard, is a visible 20 degree program. However, I think that might have been there on previous ranges anyway, as this is a tampon dial machine as like a cold cotton wash. So you can have 1200, 800, 600 and no spin. And you can have anti-allergic. Oh no, you can't. Oh yeah, of course it's 20 degree program. Silly me. And you can't have pre-wash either. I wonder if it wasn't heated, whether you'd be able to have that. Probably. But yeah, obviously you can't have heated rinses on a cold wash program. Anyway, Easy Care's next. So this is for the slightly more delicate items. This will run a 40 degree synthetic like program, and it's a bit shorter than Cotton. So it defaults to 800. You can have 800, 600, no spin. You can have anti-allergic, you can have pre-wash or both. Next up is wool. This is for obviously your woolen based items or other, you know, woolly fibres like acrylic and stuff. So it defaults to 600. You can have obviously 600, no spin. You can't have anti-allergic, and you can't have pre-wash. I forget what temperature wool runs at. I think it might be 30 degrees. Rinse. This cycle performs, I think, 2 rinses and does the full cotton 1200 RPM final spin. You can have obviously 1200, 800, 600 or no spin. You can have anti-allergic, which again increases the rinse count to 3 and makes the rinses heated. And obviously you can't have pre-wash on a rinse cycle. Next up is the spin cycle. This will perform a full length spin at any of the speeds you select. So obviously you can have 1200, 800, 600. But you can't have no spin for some reason. So you can't just perform a drain. However, when there's water in the machine and it's on any of the options, it will drain automatically. So I suppose that's why they haven't put a drain only cycle in the machine, because it will just do that by itself anyway. You can have, I've gone through that already. Next up is hand wash cycle. Now this is for your delicate items that are not necessarily wool based. So you might have like silk or something, and they'll go on this program. So once again, it defaults to 600. You have 600 or no spin. Can't have anti-allergic, can't have pre-wash. Very similar to wool. I believe this runs at 30 degrees also. It might be 40. The manual will tell you. Next up we have Colours 40. This is a cycle, I think it's supposed to be like the old Eco 40. But I haven't tried it for myself. This is based on what I've seen from other people's videos. So it defaults to 1200. Allows 800, 600, no spin, and of course 1200. You have anti-allergic, and you can have pre-wash or both. Next up is the mix cycle. This is for mixed fabrics like polyester and cotton and mixtures of the two. So like a polyester and cotton jumper, for example, things like that. That will run at 40 degrees. And it defaults to 800, but you can have 800, 600, no spin. You have anti-allergic and pre-wash or both. Next up is the shirt cycle. This will run at 60 degrees and it will reduce creasing in your shirts. So naturally it spins at 600 or 0. You can have anti-allergic, you can have pre-wash, or you can have both. Next up is Rapid 60. This will run a very quick 60, well not very quick, but a decently quick 60 degree wash cycle, doing a single rinsing phase in 1 hour. This is 1200 by default, but can allow 1200, 800, 600 or no spin. You can't have anti-allergic and you can't have pre-wash. It would be nice if you could have anti-allergic, but I know why they haven't done it is because it would take a lot longer than an hour if you did do that. And finally, we've got Rapid 15. This will run it's advertised as 30, but it actually will run a cold 15-minute wash cycle, again with 1 rinse. This defaults to 800. You can have 800, 600 or no spin. You can't have anti-allergic and you can't have pre-wash. That's it for this, all the programs and options. The child lock is enabled by pressing and holding these two. We'll put it to a spin to show you that. So I think that's done the child lock. Yeah, you can see by those two. And then you can disable that by pressing and holding those options again. Then you can stop it. That is all programs and options on this Bush WMSAE612W or 612W, however you say it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll try and answer all of the questions I get. Once again, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.